gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
Both OnePlus and iQOO made a big leap this year, skipping straight from the OnePlus 14 to the OnePlus 15 series. And interestingly, their specs are strikingly similar. The base models are priced almost the same too, with just about a 200 yuan, or roughly 25 pounds, difference. But when it comes to actual user experience, how different are they really? And more importantly, which one's the smarter buy? A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's start with the design. At first glance, both phones look almost identical, especially their camera layouts. But look closer and you'll spot some subtle differences. iQOO goes for a sleek all-black unibody design, while OnePlus separates the lenses and flash with distinct highlights. It really comes down to personal taste. Which one's your style? When it comes to colors, each phone brings its own signature look. iQOO's standout shade is called Lingxi, a gray tone with a faint red tint. OnePlus, on the other hand, offers primary sand dune, which gives off a warm and premium vibe. Both back panels use a special coating that not only feels smooth to the touch, but also does a great job resisting fingerprints. OnePlus also includes something extra, a customizable side button that iQOO lacks. You can assign it to various shortcuts. For example, I've set mine to one-click flash, so I can instantly access my saved actions from any screen. It's super handy. Funny thing is, Vivo actually had a similar feature in one of its older series. Why they removed it is still a mystery because it's genuinely useful. Overall, both phones have impressive build quality and attention to detail. The OnePlus 15's new finish gives it a fresh tactile feel, while the red accents on the iQOO 15 look really striking. So, between the two, which design would you go for? Now let's move to one of the biggest differences, the display. The OnePlus 15 features a 1.5K screen with a 165Hz ultra-high refresh rate, while the iQOO 15 offers a 2K display with a 144Hz refresh rate. In everyday use, both typically run around 120Hz, but OnePlus takes things a step further by supporting 165Hz in popular apps like QQ, WeChat, Weibo, and Xiaohongshu. I use these apps all the time, and once you get used to 165Hz, going back to 120Hz definitely feels like a downgrade. OnePlus also plans to expand support for more apps soon, which means we might see a new wave of ultra-smooth experiences coming up. Now about the whole 1.5K versus 2K debate, I've said this before. Yes, 2K is technically sharper, but honestly, in daily use, the visual difference is tiny unless you look really closely. What does matter is battery efficiency, and that's where 1.5K shines. It's easier on power consumption, something we'll get into more when we talk about battery life. So what's your pick, 1.5K or 2K? Next, let's talk refresh rate in gaming. That 165Hz on the OnePlus 15 really makes a difference in gaming compared to iQOO's 144Hz. OnePlus can actually run games at up to 165 FPS, while iQOO tops out at a 144 FPS. That might sound minor, but in fast-paced games, those extra frames can give you a noticeable edge. For example, I actually broke a few records in QQ speed using the OnePlus 15. At first, I thought I just improved my skills. Turns out it was the 165 FPS adaptation helping me out. With higher frame rates, animations look smoother, and your reactions feel snappier. You literally see enemies a split second earlier, and when every millisecond counts, that's huge. Both phones perform well in gaming overall, but the OnePlus 15 has an extra advantage with its dedicated Lingxi touch chip. After testing it several times, I found OnePlus to be consistently more responsive during gameplay, making it feel more immersive. iQOO's slightly higher screen resolution is its advantage, but when it comes to raw gaming responsiveness, OnePlus takes the lead. Performance-wise, both are absolute beasts. In demanding titles like Genshin Impact, each one comfortably maintains 60 FPS on max graphics, with solid temperature control. OnePlus does manage slightly higher frame averages under extreme conditions, but the gap isn't huge. Both phones support super frame rate and super graphics modes, though they handle them a bit differently. The OnePlus 15 lets you enjoy Genshin Impact with both super graphics and 120 FPS at the same time, while iQOO 15 only supports that combo at 120 FPS under certain settings. To reach similar visuals, iQOO users have to lower the resolution to hit 90 FPS. So if you're chasing the smoothest and most visually stunning gaming experience, the OnePlus 15 definitely has the edge here. Now the question is, Between the OnePlus 15 and iQOO 15, which one would you pick? When it comes to gaming features, both phones have done a great job. They each support a bypass power supply, which helps reduce battery drain during long gaming sessions. But the OnePlus 15 takes things a step further with a unique inter-game power-up feature. It's different from standard bypass charging. After you finish a game, just tap the power button and it automatically detects when you're between matches. This allows it to charge faster even while the screen is on, something most other phones can't do. It's a small touch, but a super practical one for gamers. The OnePlus 15 also brings a special game camera mode, letting you capture epic in-game moments instantly and even edit them right there on the spot. It adds a creative twist to gaming, making the experience feel more personal and fun. Moving to the cameras, both phones perform neck and neck in this department. To break it down, the OnePlus 15 comes with a Hasselblad-inspired sensor and integrates Oppo's Lumo imaging technology while keeping fan-favorite modes like Master Mode and Frame Mode. The iQOO 15, on the other hand, leans into its street photography mode, which is designed for quick, stylish shots. Each has its own personality. The OnePlus 15's Master Mode produces photos with deeper contrast and warmer tones, and when paired with filters and frame mode, the results have a very cinematic look. Meanwhile, iQOO's street photography mode shines in speed. Its ultra-fast shutter captures fleeting moments effortlessly, making it ideal for those who love spontaneous, stylish photography. Personally, I'm more drawn to the OnePlus's frame mode. It gives photos a stronger sense of story and atmosphere, but both have their charm. I'll show you a few sample shots from each so you can decide which one fits your taste better. Now, let's talk about power and battery life, and this is where the OnePlus 15 really flexes. It supports 120 watts wired charging along with 50 watts wireless, while the iQOO 15 offers 100 watts wired and 40 watts wireless. In real-world use, the OnePlus 15 charges almost 10 minutes faster than the iQOO. Battery endurance is just as impressive. With my usual routine, starting at 8 a.m. and going all the way till 10 p.m., the OnePlus 15 still has about 30% battery left by the end of the day. The iQOO 15, meanwhile, hovers around 20% by 9 p.m. That 1.5K display on the OnePlus 15 doesn't just look good, it also plays a big role in extending battery life without sacrificing clarity. As for other hardware, both phones come packed with premium features. You get large X-axis linear motors. The OnePlus uses the 0816T, while the iQOO goes with the No 916. Both have dual symmetrical speakers that deliver rich, clear sound. OnePlus also steps it up with a game controller-grade gyroscope, which enhances precision and responsiveness during gameplay. It's these small touches that make a noticeable difference when you're deep into an intense gaming session. So if you look at the overall picture, the iQOO 15 may use slightly higher-end components in some visible areas, but the OnePlus 15 clearly leads when it comes to gaming performance and optimization. For photography, both are evenly matched, though I personally lean toward OnePlus's master and frame modes for their cinematic quality. In the end, if you're a serious gamer who wants that buttery smooth 165Hz screen, excellent battery life, and lightning fast charging, the OnePlus 15 would be my top pick. So, which one would you choose? The OnePlus 15 or the iQOO 15? That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.